Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process of how to solve the problem of ad may get zero results. And as you can see, it says based on how you've set up your ad set, you might not get any results. To fix this, consider making changes to your ad set before publishing. So when you see something like what is showing on the screen, what you need to do is that you just come to what they are basically telling you is your budget is too small. So as you can see, this one is $3 a day. And this particular problem also partly depends on the location. In some cases, if it is areas, first well advanced countries like the US, Canada, or and then most parts of Europe, when you spend less than $10 a day, you won't get any significant results. So for example, so in this case, when you see that they are telling you that the ad will not get, you may not get any results, come and increase the budget to say $10 and see. If your budget is less than $10, increase it to $10. If it does not change, consider changing it to say $20. Let's see what will show. Yes. So as you can see, the problem has vanished. So the error message has vanished. However, what I want to say is that it does not necessarily mean that when you see that error message, the advert will not run. No. You can leave it at $3 or $5 or $4 and it will perform depending on the location. Example, if it is an area where the RPM is less than $5 for that is for 1,000 views or 1,000 ad impressions, the RPM is less than $5, then even if you do $5, then the advert will perform. The location is Ghana, and Ghana, the RPM or the CPM on Facebook is $2. So $2, what it means is that when I spend $3, the impressions will be 1,500. If I spend $4, the impressions will be about 2,000. If I spend $5, the impressions will be about 2,500. Any advert that you do that the impressions should be more than 1,000, at least let's say 2,000, more than 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000, the results will be good. So you have to look at the impressions depending on the earlier estimate, or if you have run ad before, just look at how much they are charging per impression. But if you are located in an area like US, Canada, where the CPM is high, then I will advise you that make sure that you are spending at least $20 or minimum $10 a day. $10 will not even give you any significant results. Make it around $20 and you see that that problem saying that your ad may not deliver will actually vanish. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. You can leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any problem doing this, you can let me know and I will come in to help you. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us. And remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.